Now we are discussing about food business. In that today we are discussing about fruit juice. If you are familiar with fruit juices and interested in this business, this is the right opportunity. Generally, all will feel that only in summer fruit juices will go well. In any season, after 11 p.m., they will prefer fruit juices up to 4 p.m. So it is regular business will be there. But in summer, season will be high. But in non-summers also, without summer also, in outdoor seasons also, that from 11 p.m. to 4 p.m. generally public will like to take juices, especially for health issue also, for health cases also. What fruit? Next point is what fruit juices go well together. Juice pairing guidelines. The key to containing balanced flavor when mixing juices together is to understand and use juices that will complement one another due to their opposing characteristics. Pomegranate and lime, cranberry and apple, watermelon and raspberry, pineapple and pear, pomegranate and blueberry and berry blends. And you should also have very good practical experience in one juice point. You should work at least 2 or 3 months. Then you can understand. And the practical experience is also must. Fruit juices are doing very well. But even though saving of time and saving of money and saving of your food is also most important. So the practical experience is must. Once if you are having all these things, fruit juices, pomegranates will give one type of fruit juices and oranges will give one type. Likewise, for every type, one type of machinery will be there. So you should have a study of all these machineries also and get a study of those. And before starting this project, you should have a MS Word document also. In that, what sort of machinery you should use and what are the availabilities you can use. And all these things, if you have a project, then with machinery and with labor, you can start it easily. Then it will be profitable. Fruit juices for health. Next point is fruit juices for health. For health also, fruit juices are must. In afternoon, elderly people will depend on fruit juices only. They may take less food in afternoon in any less season, 11 to 4 p.m. as the right business anywhere. Nowadays, fruit juice kit, steel boxes are coming with AC fitting also. Automatically, it will cool all boxes in the kit. And the next point is juice making machinery. You can see the machine details in Alibaba.com website is there. In that also you can see so many types of machine juices. And in Amazon.com, Flipkart.com also you can see so many types of juice making machinery. You can get through check payment or through online debit card or credit card also. Some will ask about bank DD before sending the machine. By paying that, you can receive your machine to home itself. And the next point is how do you make fruit juice for sale? To get started, you will need your receipts, some equipment and permissions from your city or state health departments. Determine your niche, prepare a business plan, create juice recipes, research licenses and permits, obtain permits and employers identification number, locate producer suppliers, find a great location. And next point is what fruits can be mixed with pineapple. Tropically, fruit aromas, more specific, they go into the tropical direction. That is why pineapple is a good companion for tropical fruits such as mango, banana or passion fruit, but also for oranges or grapefruit. If we have a look at more inland fruits, then apple, pear and peach share these tropical fruity notes. And the next point is what fruits can't be mixed. Avoid mixing your watermelons, muskmelons, cantaloupes and honeydews with other fruits Try not to mix acidic fruits such as grapefruits and strawberries or sub-acidic foods such as apples, pomegranates and peaches with sweet fruits such as bananas and raisins for a better digestion. And next point is good margins in fruit juice business. In this business, you can get 50% margin. Before that, you should study your location, what are going regularly, what should be added further, how many are coming. If you have this type of analysis, then you can get good profits in this business. And next point is making fruit juice seasons. Generally, in summer it will go well. In other seasons, it will go on average. Only summer business is enough to survive in the remaining seasons. Summer means it will start from March to June. 4 months will be there. If you think over well all these, business is yours, profits are yours, future is yours. This is the information regarding fruit juice. So fruit juice is also a very good business, but planning should be there and cleaning also should be there. Then only it is profitable. Wishing you all the best.